that goes up to the self-parking garage 1 here in Las Vegas. This is an original Westinghouse. No more dinner bell. Snap cab. Look at this.
This is really, how old is this?
I think it might be. Wow, how is it not low in oil? That sounds horrible.
Are you gonna modernize this?
I don't think so. Not until it like really breaks, because the guest elevators have been modded for a long time now. I'm gonna say take a second ride. Let's be quiet on the way.
Yeah.
Hold on. Really nice motor.
Really nice.
It's got a snap cab. Where's the logo at? There is no logo. There's just a camera. But
Hi.
number 16. Very cool. And then see, those are the guest elevators.